The Global Expo and Summit 2019, from 17 to 19, the inaugural is on 17. 10 वरांचेर श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमार इनॉग्रेशन जातलो. वायब्रंट गोवा ग्लोबल एक्सपो समीट हाका गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा फुल्ली सपोर्ट करता ह्या पूर्ण प्रोग्रामाक. आनी इन डिटेल ह्या प्रोग्रामाक कसो इव्हेंट आसतलो, कितें आसतलो हाजी सगळी आयडिया बाब राजकुमार कामत दितलोच. बरोबर 3 दीस चलपी इव्हेंट, द फर्स्ट टायम गोवा स्टेटीत अशा पद्दतीचो इन्वेस्टमेंट समीट हांगासर घडून येता. आनी बीइंग द CM ऑफ गोवा स्टेट हांव मुद्दामून सगळ्या गोंयकारांक तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन आव्हान करता की तेंच्यांनी मुद्दामून विजीट करचें. 3 दीस इट इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द इन्वेस्टर्स बट फॉर द लोकल पीपल ऑल्सो. तांच्यांनी विजीट करचें. एक म्हणजे 170 डिफरंट स्टॉल्स लागिल्ले आसतले, इन्वेस्टर्सचे स्टॉल्स. इट इज नॉट एक्झिबिशन्स. म्हणजे कशा पद्दतीचो इन्वेस्टर्स गोंयान बिजनेस करूं शकता इन अ ट्रेड बिजनेस. आनी ह्या इन्वेस्टमेंट समिटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान स्पेशली आमी गोवा टुरिजम रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट, IT रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट, ओके, एड्युकेशन हब म्हणून गोंय फुडें येवपाक जाय. ग्रीन एंड सस्टेनेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट ह्या पद्दतीचे प्रोजेक्ट जे आसा त्या आपोवपा खातीर जे ग्लोबली आनी इंडियन ऑल एप्रॉक्सिमेटली मोर दॅन 500 ग्लोबली डेलिगेट्स जे आसा हे विजीट करता. एप्रॉक्सिमेटली मोर दॅन 2000 डेलिगेट्स फ्रॉम द डिफरंट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री येता. म्हाका दिसता ह्या पद्दतीची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी जी आमी सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी हितूर पार्टिसिपेट जावप अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. गेले एप्रॉक्सिमेटली मोर दॅन 8 months वायब्रंट गोवाची टीम मिस्टर राजकुमार कामत, मनोज पाटील आनी तेजी वायब्रंट गोवाची पुराय टीम ही हेजेर काम करता. म्हणटलो हेजें प्रिपेरेशन जें आसा, नॉट ओन्ली द इव्हेंट प्रिपेरेशन्स बट वायब्रंट गोवाचें मार्केटींग हे डिफरंट स्टेटींनी जे म्हाका दिसता आमच्या राज्यांतल्याच आपल्या देशांतल्या जवळपास 20 पेक्षा चड जाग्यांचेर तांच्यांनी रोड शो आनी बाकीचे लेक्चर्स दिवन वायब्रंट गोवाचो अवेरनेस ज्या पद्दतीन करपाक जाय तो केला. आनी ऑल्सो इन द फॉरेन कंट्रीज, स्पेशली 17 फॉरेन कंट्रीजान तांच्यांनी स्पेशली वचून तांच्यांनी जो अवेरनेस आसा केला. हांव वायब्रंट गोवा टीमचे कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स करता. दीस वील म्हाका खात्री आसा की दीस समीट वील बी द ग्रेट समीट आनी गोंयांतली सगळ्यांत व्हडली समीट जातली. हांव म्हणटा की हाजे इनिशिएटीव्स आमचे एक्स CM मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्या काळांत तांच्यांनी इनिशिएटीव्स घेतले. तांचें स्वप्न आशिल्लें की अशा पद्दतीचो समीट हो गोंयांत जावप अत्यंत गरजेचो आसा. ह्या समिटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान डिफरंट इन्वेस्टर्स जे गोंयांत येतले, म्हणजे बीइंग अ CM हॅव टू एश्युअर देम. सो तांची ते कितें इन्वेस्टमेंट करतले किंवा इन्वेस्टर्स गोंयांत येतले म्हणजे कितें आज हांवें रिविजन ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशनल बोर्डाचे मिटिंगेचें रिविजन घेतलें. आय हॅड गिवन देम इन्स्ट्रक्शन हेन्सफोर्थ जो प्रपोजल कोणी इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशनल बोर्डाक सबमीट करतलो म्हणजे विदीन अ मंथ, म्हणजे पयले 15 दीस तांकां दे विल टेक द टेम्पररी क्लियरन्स फ्रॉम ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स and in the board of IPB itself will give the final clearance. म्हणजे इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशनल बोर्डाच्या मिटिंगे उपरांत विदीन द 15 days they can start their construction of their project, actual project. म्हणजे इवन दो द सिस्टीम ऑफ IDC ज्या पद्दतीची आसा, आमी इधर IDCची लँड दिवं, अदरवायज आमी प्रायवेट तांची लँड आसूं. ज्या जाग्यार प्रोजेक्ट सुरू करपाचो आसा IDC ज्या पद्दतीन ज्या धर्तीचेर सगळी क्लियरन्स आसत, इवन दो द लायसन्स वी शूड बी हेन्सफोर्थ इशूड बाय द इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशनल बोर्ड. तातूंतल्यान काही नोटिफिकेशन्स, काही रेक्टिफिकेशन्स हांवें इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशनल बोर्डाक ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला. द इज ऑफ डुईंग द बिजनेस आनी सिंगल विंडो क्लियरन्स जे आमी 21 दीस म्हणटा ते आमकां फुडल्या म्हयन्या भितर गोंयांत दिसून येतलें. आनी शुअर म्हाका दिसता this is a great opportunity for all the investors those who are investing in the state. आणि वायब्रंट गोवाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान डिफरंट इन्वेस्टर्स जे गोंयांत येतले तांकां ह्या संदीचो फायदो जो आसा तो मेळटलो. वायब्रंट गोवाच्या फंक्शनाक 3 दीस एक्चुली वायब्रंट गोवा म्हणजे कितें जावपाचें आसा फ्रॉम इनॉग्रेशन टू द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी. Rajkumar Kamath will brief.
Good evening, friends, and I would really like to welcome you all. This is sort of a penultimate day. We are all getting ready. परवा जे वर्सभर आमी काम करीत आयिल्ले आसा. डिसेंबर 4 त्या दिसा लॉन्च केली, पूण गेल्या ऑक्टोबरांतल्यान आमी हें काम करीत आयिल्ले आसा. तेन्ना ऑनरेबल सीएमान सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर आशिल्ले, पूण सीख आशिल्ल्यान आमचो एक्सेस वॉज थ्रू डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत. सो ही इज अवेर रायट फ्रॉम डे वन हाव वी हॅव बीन गोईंग अबाउट दीस पर्टिक्युलर एस्पेक्ट. तुमकां सांगूंक म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता की एक आमी 17 कंट्रीजान रोड शो जरी केले, वी आर गेटिंग visitors, overseas delegates from more than 50 countries. Okay, that's very very important because आमी फक्त रोड शोज करूना, जाल्यार we were contacting different associations, different chambers in various countries. Okay, so सगळेच कडेन वचून एक्सपेन्स करपाचीच गरज जाय अशें ना. We targeted the major ones. So from 52 countries, we are expecting more than 530 overseas delegates. Okay. Besides this, we are having experts. Some of them, of course, are these overseas delegates. Some of them are from India itself. There are 25 knowledge summits जातल्यो आणि तातूंत 86 स्पीकर्स आसतले. आतां 17 तारखेक सकाळी हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता की 9:30 पर्यंत येवन प्लीज गेट सीटेड. कित्याक जाणा तूं, सिन्स दीज आर ओवरसीज डेलिगेट्स, दे आर व्हेरी कॉन्शियस अबाउट टायम. 10 means we will have to start at 10. Okay, so we'll be starting dot on 10 and we will make sure things go. एकदा ते नॉलेज इनॉग्रल जालें की we would be, the expo would be opened. After that we are having immediately the post lunch the knowledge summits. Okay, पयले दिसाक ज्यो knowledge summits आसा त्यो कंट्री स्पेसिफीक आसा. म्हणल्यार आतां युएसान कशा तरेन पावल एंट्री करपाची. ओके, आनी आतां US चायना हळू युएसांतल्यान भायर सरता. होच एक चान्स आसा की थंय भितर सरपाचो. ओके, सो तो कसो करपाचो हाज्या बद्दल एक सेशन आसा. तशेंच कॅनडान कशें थंयचे गोवन आनी इंडियन डायस्पोरा आसा तांचो यूज करून हाव वी कॅन एंटर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मार्केट. मिडल ईस्ट, साऊथ ईस्ट एशिया अशें करून जवळ जवळ 8 कंट्रीजां बद्दल म्हायती पयल्या दिसा मेळटली. ओके, दुसऱ्या दिसा वी आर हॅविंग सेक्टर स्पेसिफीक, म्हणल्यार फूड अँड एग्रो. वी हॅव IT 2 दीस कंटिन्यूस आसतले बिकॉज IT and technology has got a lot of traction in this particular summit. Besides agro, construction and real estate, education, student and youth. In fact, there are 2 sessions on sports. Okay, entertainment, because Goa, all said and done, is a creative hub. Event management, event destination Goa जावंक शकता, entertainment. So in short, pharmaceutical, all sectors are being covered in the second day. Third day, we are having India Today is having a state of states modern program. This will be in the morning of 19th, okay, where it has already assessed the situation in different talukas and districts within Goa, and they will be, that report they will be presenting. So that is on 19th morning, and 19th evening we will be having the valedictory. Some of the things that we are proposing to attain through this, primarily this initiative was meant to boost business in Goa. Okay, 170 stalls inside. Besides, there are stalls outside. अशें करून nearly 270 stalls आसा where our entrepreneurs are displaying their capabilities. So when the overseas delegates are coming, they will be understanding what the capabilities are and they will be able to connect. Okay. त्या भायर हे जे ओवरसीज डेलिगेट्स आसा तांच्या बरोबर B2B meetings will be fixed. People who are already displaying their booths will be fixing B2B meetings. म्हणजे फक्त नॉर्मल एक्झिबिशना प्रमाणे वचून त्या एक्झिबिशनान कितले उलयता तितलेच न्ही जाल्यार B2B meetings these are already getting fixed. There is an app which was developed and that app is with the overseas delegates as well as our booth holders. Right now very ferociously meetings are taking place and it is all technology based, so they are given the hall number, the table number and the time at which they will be having meetings. Okay, so in short I think this is going to be a very historic summit and we are hopeful that it will spark the business sentiments. आता this is an event which is just a launch. Okay, I would say it is a starting point. आणि honorable CMan आमकां सांगला की it should not end here, but it should continue. Okay, so we will be having desks within Vibrant Goa Foundation, which will continue to connect people. Okay, हाजेरूच रावचें ना, will continue to connect people as well as follow up. हांगा ज्यो मिटिंगो जाता कोणाक फुडें सपोर्ट जाय in order to push through. Okay, so Vibrant Goa Foundation will have desks which will do this activity as well as new connection as it happens. So these are some of the things that we are working on, and we request your help in creating the awareness because opportunities that are coming are many. We want the Goan entrepreneurs, the Goan businessmen to actually cash in on those opportunities, and the only way they can do it is visit, connect, network and make sure that they grow. So this is an opportunity, a platform created through media. We would like to appeal to everybody to utilize these opportunities.
Coming. Also requested all the heads of the governments, all the secretaries to the government to be there so that we can initiate a lot of discussions on how Goa can tie up with those countries on various businesses which we are pushing forward. We have also been working on the self-help groups. This is one important initiative which we have taken. Again, we would like to thank Unichem Laboratories who came as a CSR partner. Basically what we are doing through these self-help groups is working on how they can upskill themselves. As Dr. Jagat Shah, who is our consultant, he has been working across the globe with a lot of countries. And what he says is there are so many products the self-help group can export. Only what they require is proper mentoring in terms of marketing, packaging, and all other hygiene matters. So he has been literally working. We had 2 sessions with the self-help groups. One where we had almost 120 women, and yesterday we had 650 women at the Vinicius Braganza Hall. And this is something which we are really pushing forward.
Conference also is the student buddy program. Okay, so in the student buddy program we are assigning one student buddy to one overseas delegate so that he learns how international trade happens, how negotiations happen. What he cannot learn in class, he will be able to learn in these 3-4 days a lot more. Taja Shivai, there are a few things, lot of firsts that we are calling it as a grand slam because 4 major things which are happening besides this. One is we are creating a Feni world record, okay, golden book of world record, the largest Feni cocktail. This will be one, which will be on 17 at Tito's, okay. Second is we are going to have the longest painting, okay, record, and this painting is environment based. What we are trying to depict is it is not business only, but a business which is environmentally responsible. Okay, so a longest painting focusing on environment would be the second world record. Third, of course, is this is going to be a zero waste event. Okay, that is we will not be having things like plastic bottles, water bottles, but we will be having glass water bottles. There will be refilling water stations everywhere. Cups would be either paper cups and mitti, the earthen cups, so that we have zero waste. Whatever waste is there will be reused and recycled. that means even the flexes etc. which are being put, we have identified an agency. In fact, they have really been working proactively, innovative, to make sure that everything will be reused and recycled. Okay, converting flexes into bags which can be used and so on. So, Asha Taren, there are a lot of firsts that we are trying to achieve. We are hopeful that through the media, we will be able to make people aware and ensure that opportunities are well received.
In Goa, as far as trade expo is concerned, and this is the first trade expo. Though some 20 years back, government had in a small way had something, but this is where we have actually invited one of the very good global delegates, and the profile of the delegates is one of the most outstanding. And from a perspective how India is geared up today, most of the states are competing, and Goa was certainly lagging behind in the past. So we thought, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, let's make a strong movement to attract people and tell them what is Goa. And I'm glad that we had a very good response. And thankfully, all the associations, except maybe one or two, almost all who met us and who deal with at least 90-95% of the GDP of the state are on board, have signed MOUs with us, and they are practically supporting us day in and out. They have been also pushing. I think this is one of the best thing ever happened in Goa, getting all the trade associations together under one umbrella. So Vibrant Goa is one platform, and we endeavor to create it as a permanent platform. And from an investment perspective, it's not only a display, but we are also trying to work very strongly with the government and IPB to create a mechanism of handholding of these investments. Let's say whichever investment want to come, they also need mentoring. Probably we are internally deliberating and contemplating whether we can handhold these investments so that IPB can't do a lot of things which on the business side of it. Mentoring in terms of business may not be possible for them. Let's say some Canadian investment wants to come tomorrow to Goa. He may not understand Goa in detail, or IPB from a government setup may only facilitate from government side. But understanding other ecosystem of the state, finding out vendors, finding out hiring of people, consultants, all that you need handholding for a year or two. And I think you need a platform, and probably that would be unique in the country. Though Invest India does it for, again, like what IPB does, but from the trade association side or as an independent institution, no one is doing in the country. So we can also look at these aspects depending on the response of the delegates. If they find any difficulties in settling down on investment, we can handhold, and the proactive support of the government, we can, and this is a partnership. So this is the biggest ever partnership, I must say. Thank you.
So the function is Rajkumar Kamtin. It is on 19th morning. The first time we are comparing the talukas in different scenarios. They are giving the award for the talukas. In health sector, in education sector, in agriculture sector, they have the comparison chart with 12 talukas. वेगवेगळ्या सेक्टरांतलो अवॉर्ड जो आसा हो त्या तालुक्याक दितलो. इट वीज अ कंपॅरिजन स्टडी दॅट वील हेल्प फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट ऑल्सो टू इम्प्रूव ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर सेक्टर. ह्या पद्दतीन काम करपाक गव्हर्मेंटाकूय वेगवेगळो डाटा हितूंतल्यान अवेलेबल जातलो. इंडिया टुडेचो पयलेच फावटी स्टेट ऑफ द स्टेट विथीन द स्टेट्स म्हणजे तालुका लेवलचेर अवॉर्ड दिवप ह्या पयलेच फावटीचो इनिशिएटीव आसा. म्हाका दिसता सगळ्या रिपोर्टरांनी आपलें कार्ड जें आसा हें कार्ड तुमकां अवेलेबल जातलें. कार्ड मिडिया कार्ड घेवचें जेणे करून इनॉग्रेशन पासून बाकीचे सगळे प्रोग्राम तुका अटेंड करपाकूय मेळटले. ताजी प्रसिद्धी दिवची तितक्याच मोठ्या प्रमाणांत. आनी वायब्रंट गोवा हालो इट इज नॉट जस्ट ऑर्गनायझींग इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज केलो आनी सोडून दिलो असो जावचो ना. द वायब्रंट गोवा इन्वेस्टर्स जे गोंयांत येता ताचो फॉलोअप करून परत कितली इन्वेस्टमेंट लॉंग रन गोंयांत येतली ह्या प्रोग्रामा पासून आमी म्हणटा की इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशनान इट वील बी द ग्रोथ. ओके सपोज आनी तें आमकां फुडल्या 1 वर्साच्या कार्यकाळांत दिसून येतलें. आनी आमी जशें म्हटलां की इट वील सस्टेनेबल इन्वेस्टमेंट in industry, education, tourism, hospitality, and green industry. हातूंतल्यान वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट गोंयांत येतली. ऑटोमॅटिकली आमी जेका म्हणटा की जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ज्यो क्रिएट जावपाक जाय किंवा राजकुमारान जे स्पेशली मेन्शन केलें आमचे कडेन आशिल्लो टॅलंट फोकस जावपाक जाय. स्पेशली म्हणजे तुमकां कळपा खातीर सांगता म्हणजे ओन वुडन हावज जो ते गेटीचेर बांदला विदीन पर्टिक्युलर विदीन 8 ते 10 दिसां भितर तेणी 4 दिसांनी वुडन हावज तयार केला. मुद्दामूच पळया म्हणजे इट इज अ गोवन हे ताणें तयार केला. इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. आनी ताजें म्हणणें आसा तो फक्त हांव कळपा खातीर सांगता म्हणजे इट इज नॉट फॉर द शो पर्पज, इट इज अ परमनंट. इफ समवन वॉन्ट परमनंट तो परमनंटली स्टेबल जावं शकता. मुद्दामून पळयात दाखयता की अशा पद्धतीचे स्ट्रक्चर आमचे गोवन इंजिनियर्स आपली तकली लावून करपाक शकता. आमचे गव्हर्मेंटचे IT इंडस्ट्रीचो स्टॉल आसतलो, इंडस्ट्रीचो स्टॉल आसतलो, वेगळो IPBचो आसतलो स्टॉल, मागीर एग्रीकल्चर, हँडीक्राफ्ट हांचे सगळ्यांचे स्टॉल्स आसतले. वेगवेगळी इवन दो डिपार्टमेंट्स दे आर ऑल्सो सायनींग द एग्रीमेंट विथ द डिफरंट पीपल. वेगवेगळ्या हेच्या बरोबर आसतलो. आयुश डिपार्टमेंट गव्हर्मेंटाचो स्टॉल आसा, KVICचो आसा, DRDOचो आसा. हांच्याय सगळ्यांचे म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमांतल्यान जी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट येवपाक शकता. आनी इवन दो द स्कील डेवलपमेंट आमकां हाका रिलेटेड स्कील डेवलपमेंट जी इन लॉंग रन करपाक जाय, स्किलींग जें करपाक जाय पळय तें करपाक आमची हेजे बद्दल जातली. म्हाका दिसता 17, 18 आनी 19 ह्या 3 दिसांक तुमी बी ह्या इव्हेंटाक बरी प्रसिद्धी दिवची. गोंयांतले चडांत चड लोक हांगासर पावून हाका विजीट करचे. इट इज एंट्री फीज सुद्दां मुद्दामून मेन्शन करता विच इज एन एंट्री फ्री. सगळ्यांक आसा त्या ती पळोवपाक तरी मुद्दामून येवन गोंयांतल्या जे इंजिनियर्स आसा, एज्युकेटेड आसा, शिकलेले आसा त्या सगळ्यांनी मिनिमम एक दीस तरी येवन आनी स्टुडंट्स स्पेशली येवन वयचे तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्यांक इन्विटेशन. त्या कार्यक्रमाक नितीन गडकरी जी येवपाचे आशिल्ले बट एट प्रेझेंट इलेक्शना खातीर इट इज डाउटफूल. बट रिप्लेसमेंट कोण तरी फाल्यां पर्यंत जावंक शकता. इट इज नॉट कन्फर्म. हांव तुका आत्तां सांगू शकना की कितली इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करूं शकता. तुका सांगलें 52 कंट्रीजचे पार्टिसिपंट जे आसा पळय न्ही रे ते येता. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन दॅम. तुजे हांगासर बाकी सगळे पळयल्या उपरांत कितली इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करता ते तांचेर डिपेंड आसा.
So dance I report for him.
When we are saying that we are supporting, yes, of course we are supporting financially and fully. आम्ही सपोर्ट करतात. तू पर्टिक्युलरली की हांव इतकेच पयशे अशें म्हणना. आमी 2 कोटी रुपया सँक्शन केल्या बट तांची गरज कितें लागता ती पळोवन आमी दितले. सँक्शन केल्या हाजो अर्थ आमी 2 कोटी रुपया तांकां दिवं ना. We have sanctioned 2 crores of rupees for this event to support. They have raised their fund. This event will go more than 10 crores. ती कॅचेरी वचू शकता, 10 कोटी पर्यंत वचू शकता इव्हेंट. दे हॅव रेज फंड बाय देअर ओन. अशें तितके रेज जावंक ना. तांचें कशें आसा हो इव्हेंटा पुरते मर्यादीत न्ही. दे हॅव विजिटेड द डिफरंट कंट्री फॉर द मोर देन 20 country. They have visited more than 20-30 places in the state in the country. They have visited.
So
Altogether.
I am told that you had
It's IT industry. We are giving the check in the Vibrant Goa function only. The check of 10 lakhs rupees each. Actually, the altogether I think 53 people. They have registered with the ITG. They have done their startup, and 6 people they have completed all the formalities, and we are giving them check of the 10 lakh rupees each in this function.
and what about others, sir?